The in vivo cellular and molecular imaging core facility at the VUB Health Campus is specialized in the nuclear and optical imaging of small lab animals. The lab is equipped with a variety of state-of-the-art multimodality imaging systems and ex vivo analysis techniques to study the dosimetry, biodistribution, pharmacokinetics and therapeutic efficacy of biomolecules, pharmaceuticals and radiotracers. Molecular imaging holds immense scientific value in preclinical research, revolutionizing our understanding of molecular processes and cellular interactions. By implementing imaging techniques such as PET, SPECT, and intravital microscopy, researchers can visualize molecular processes, cellular interactions, and disease progressions within a living animal non-invasively. Moreover, the ability to track molecular events longitudinally and dynamically enhances the accuracy and efficiency of preclinical studies, thus accelerating the development of new treatments and personalized medicine approaches. Through its non-destructive and high-resolution capabilities, molecular imaging empowers researchers to visually explore the intricate world of molecular biology.